Hi everyone. Okay, we're just going to do a quick live sale today featuring some Rutile pieces. And I'll go through them pretty quickly, but then the video will be available on our Instagram page, and we will honor these prices for the next 24 hours. Okay, so I'm going to start over here. So what I have on the table is, let me do a quick scan. I have some smoky quartz heavily etched with rutile, kind of a heavy silver rutile on the sides. I have some black tourmaline included quartz. I have some red epidote rutile and smoky quartz. I have some lenses. And then I also have some pieces with very delicate rutile in them, as well as some saginite. Okay, I'm not going to go in order of the numbers. I'm just going to go around the table. So if you're interested in anything, just comment with the number and sold, and then just PM your address. So this first piece is gorgeous. It is a big piece, and it is full of that very delicate golden spiderweb rutile. So let me just kind of turn it around here. And there you can really see it as well. This piece is $238, and we're doing free shipping in the continental US. Oh, hi, Ron Longo. All right, so that's our first specimen for today. That is number 10, and it is $238 including shipping. Let me see what the weight is on that one. That one is 760 grams, so definitely a big piece. We've got this one. This one is number 11. It is from the same lot. It's a little bit smaller, but it's got that gorgeous, delicate rutile in it, full of it though. So it's not the obvious rutile that's super thick, but any kind of movement, or if it's in the right lighting, you can really see it. This is a rough specimen, so it is natural. Full of that beautiful rutile. And this is number 11, and it is $138, and that includes shipping in the continental US. Then I also have two of the same batch, slightly smaller pieces, so they're quite affordable. Number 12, this one is $22 including shipping. And look at all of that rutile in there. Just gorgeous. And this piece is fun because it's actually also double terminated. Look at that. So it's double terminated. It's got a little bit of a companion or a bridge there. And then it is chock full of rutile. And again, that one is number 12, and it is $22, and that includes shipping in the US. And then in the same batch is this one, number 13. It is also $22. Same thing. Gorgeous little rough point, full of that delicate pale golden rutile. All right, and that is number 13, $22 including shipping. All you need to do is just comment with the number and sold. Okay, now these pieces are from a different pocket. These are smoky quartz. They have actually really nice clarity, and I will try to get some light to show it. They do have inclusions. They're heavily etched, and they have rutile on the surface. So this one here, you can see the rutile right there. And you can see the clarity of the smoky, but there's a lot of inclusions, and also these pieces are beautifully etched. So this little piece right here, you can see all that rutile right there, and also some rutile inside that point there. This piece is number 4. It is $18, and that includes shipping in the US. And then this one, very similar. This one is $18. Same thing. You've got this rutile, and so the rutile on this is kind of thicker, heavier, and it is a dark gray metallic color. This piece has got some really nice inclusions. Rutile there, and then rutile there as well. Okay, and this piece right here, same thing. Sorry, our connection goes out sometimes, so just bear with us on that. This one is $18, and there you can see that gorgeous rutile. Again, that includes shipping in the continental US. And then the last small piece from this set is this one here. It's a little bit bigger. This is number 3, and this one is $21, including shipping. This is a really nice little cluster. And then look at that little spray of rutile there. It's a nice, you can see some really clear little points with rutile in them as well. So that one there is number 3, and it is $21 free shipping in the US. Now this piece is same batch, it's a bigger specimen, and I love this one. So this is number 16, it's $55 including shipping. So it is heavily etched at the top, but also clear, if that makes sense. And has got these gorgeous rutile here on the surface, as well as some rutile inclusions and this, let's see, some kind of yellows and red inclusions as well. So this one, this gorgeous etched cathedral, but lots of sparkle, even with the etching. It looks like frost. And let's see here, right there as well. All right, so that is number 16, and it is $55 including shipping. We've got just a few more from this set right here. We've got this piece right here, it's number 15, it's $32 free shipping in the continental US. So same thing, this is a really nice smoky point with good clarity. It does have inclusions, it does have lots of etching, and it also has some rutile. There it is right there. So that's a really pretty piece. This is from Diamantina in Brazil. So this point right here with the etched face and some nice rutile, good shine on it. Number 15, that's $32 including shipping. And then number 14, this one is $52, same batch. Look at that rutile right there. It's got a star rutile on the surface there. Great etching on the point. Some nice inclusions in there as well. Again, these have good clarity on the quartz, but they do have a lot of inclusions and a lot of etching. These pieces have a lot of personality. They're great specimens. And so this one is number 14, and it is $52, including shipping in the continental US. And our last piece from this batch is number 21. This is a really big piece. It is $195, including shipping. This one has got some great inclusions and rutile as well, and lots of etching. So that is number 21, and it's $195, including shipping. Okay, now some of my favorite pieces right here are the Saginite de Saussure pieces. This one, so Saginite de Saussure is a kind of rutile that forms on the surface, and it forms in a geometric pattern, usually triangles, and you can see this is such a great example of it. The rutile can be a copper color like this, which has got so much shine, or it can be kind of silver. There's some variations in the color, or more golden. This particular piece is number 9. It's $355. It is covered in rutile, and it is this gorgeous, extra sparkly rutile, and this one is a real showstopper. And then I also have a few smaller pieces that are a little more affordable. This one here is number 7, and it is $94. So it's celestial quartz, and it's got some nice Saginite de Saussure on it. And then a smaller piece here, it is number 8 and it is $40. And this one does not have as much, but there it is right there. You can see it. And it just has a really nice shape. It's a gorgeous little point. It's got a diamond window. And then it's got this little area of the Sagenite de Saussure on it. Again, that's number 8 and it is $40 including shipping. This one right here, this is another small piece, very affordable, number 5. It is $24 including shipping. This one just has a little bit of, let me turn it this way, just a little sprinkling of silver rutile on the back. So not heavily related, but it is there, and it's just it is a beautiful piece as far as presentation. Hi everybody, thanks for joining. And then I'm not very good, I'm new at this and Midori's not here helping me, so I'm not very good at looking at comments. But please, after I go through everything, if you have a specimen you want me to show again, just let me know and I will do my best to notice that and do that for you. This one I just threw in here because, excuse me, it is such a cool piece and it is expensive. We have it on sale for today, so it's number 22 and it's $860. It's normally $1,050. So this specimen has this rutile on it, and it looks like Hollandite star inclusion, but and it's hard to tell on the video, but it's actually a dark green color, and there's a bunch more right here as well. And then let me see here. This is what it looks like on the back, and then this very cool inclusion. Now, the person that I purchased this from in China did not know exactly what it is. So I just have labeled it as green star shaped rutile. But if anybody does know exactly what this is, please tell me. I have not been able to get an answer from anybody that I know. So I would love to know exactly what it is. But super cool piece there. And that's number 22. Okay, then I do have some polished rutile. So I have this one here. This one is number 23. And it's got this really cool white rutile in it. It's a smoky piece. This is a polished piece, as I said. And it just is kind of unusual with that white rutile. You just don't see that very often. So that is number 23, and that one is $68. Then I have some really nice lenses with a lot of rutile in them. So this one here is number 17. It's $24 including shipping. And this one has got that golden rutile. Let me see if I'm trying to find a way to best show it. So this one, the rutile almost looks like little seed pods. It's kind of coming up in clumps. Oh, there, that's much better. Clumps from the bottom. So there it is. And that one is number 17, $24. Hi, Becky. Then we've got this one here. And this one is another rutile lens. This one is the silver rutile. It is number 19. It's $32 including shipping. And we've got this one here, number 16. This again has that golden rutile. Those little threads. Those who are interested in the metaphysical, rutile is supposed to be the best accelerator. It makes things happen bigger and better. So if you need that, there you go. This is number 18, and this is the last lens I have out. This one is $28 including shipping, and has some really gorgeous rutile in it as well. Just beautiful golden threads that are just amplified or magnified by the lens shape. All right, and then our last few pieces for today, and again, this video will go onto our page, and feel free to shop from it later on. This one has got red epidote rutile. Let me see if I can close up there on it. So it's smoky quartz with red epidote rutile. And this is number 24. It's $88. These are from Ministry of Brazil. I have 2 pieces. The other one is number 25, and it's $80. And there you can really see that that red epidote rutile in there. So these are definitely a harder to find specimen. And so a great piece for collectors of rutile. They're looking for something a little bit different. And then our last specimen for today is number 26. It's $282. It is a large piece of quartz, a quartz point, and it's got this gorgeous black tourmaline inclusion in it. So that is definitely a statement piece. Let me see if I've got the weight on it. Let's see here. I don't have the weight, but it's definitely several kilos. All right. Here's the table again. I'll do one more scan and then I'll sign off, but feel free to send us a note if there's any pieces that you want more pictures of or that you would like to snag. So then we've got the pieces with the unpolished with the delicate rutile, the saginite pieces. We've got the smaller pieces here with the smoky and the heavy etching and the kind of dark gray silver rutile on the outside. And then we've got some lenses here. The very special piece from China. And the red epidote pieces, and then the black tourmaline. All right, thanks for joining.